everyone, I am Pallavi Dholakiya from Smt.R.S.Kalaria Primary School. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we will learn Maths chapter number 8 Fraction from Periwinkle Math. Let us see what is fraction. What are fractions? A fraction is a part of whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Fraction means a part of whole. Suppose one circle is given and it is divided into two parts and one part is colored, then it can be written as 1 upon 2 as a fractional form. The shaded parts are represented by a fraction. 3 upon 4. Here one picture is given, one figure is given. Out of that, 3 parts are colored and 1 part is remaining. So total parts are 4 and 3 parts are colored. So what we will write as? We will write as 3 upon 4. Now in 3 upon 4, 3 is called numerator. The line shows fraction bar, or you can say division bar, and 4 is called denominator. Now what do you mean by this? The meaning of this is 3 out of 4 equal parts. Here 4 equal parts are given. Out of 4, 3 equal parts. Next, fraction is written in numeral and words. How to write fraction as numeral and in words? Now here figure of circle is given. Out of this, one part is colored and total parts are 3. So whatever parts are colored, that we will write as numerator. That is 1 upon 3. This is in numerals. Now how will I write as words? 1/3. Total part 3. Out of 1 colored, 1/3. Same. Now suppose a circle has 4 equal parts. Then we will mention 1 upon 4, 1/4. Then if circle is divided into 2 equal parts and 1 part is colored, then it is called half. If the circle is divided into 4 equal parts and out of 4, 3 parts are colored, we will write as 3/4 and 3/4 in words. Now, not only in single but in groups also we can write a fraction. How? Let us see. Fractional parts of groups. Here, a group of 8 balls are given. Now, half of 8. How we come to know what is half of 8? So, this 8 balls we can divide into equal parts, into half parts. So, each group contains 4 balls in that. So we can say group of 4. Similarly, here 1/4 of 12 balloons. Here 12 balloons are given and we have to divide it into 4 groups. So we can divide 3 balloons in one group. In short, we can say that number of objects in each group equals total objects divided by number of groups. Next is unit fractions. A fraction which has 1 as a numerator is a unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 6. Here we can observe that the numerator is equal. It is same 1. So it is called unit fractions. Next is like and unlike fractions. Now these are the types of fraction. Fractions having same denominators is called like fraction. For example, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Here we will observe 4 as a same denominator. So it is called like fractions. Next is fractions having different denominators is called unlike fraction. Now if we go to this example, the examples are 1 upon 4, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 7. Here denominators are different. So it is called unlike fractions. Now let's move to exercise part. First is fill in the table. In this table, we have to fill up the information of given fraction. We have to write numerator, denominator, fraction in words and the meaning of that fraction. Here, question is 4 upon 9. So, numerator is 4, denominator is 9. Now, how we will write 4 nines as a word? What is the meaning of that? So, we can write as 4 equal parts out of 9. Means total parts are 9 and out of that 4 parts are done. Next is identify and write fraction in the groups whether it is unit, like or unlike. First is 2 upon 3, 3 upon 7, 2 upon 9, 5 upon 9. Here we observe that numerator is not equal and denominator is different. So, when different denominators are there, it is called unlike fraction. So, here we will write unlike. Second is 1 upon 7, 1 upon 11, 1 upon 12 and 1 upon 5. Here we will observe same numerator. So, it is 1. So, it is called unit fraction. Next, 2 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 8 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. Here we will observe all the denominators are equal. So, it is called like fraction. Next is simplify. Now, here we have to do simplification of given question. 1/4 of 12 means we have to make 4 groups of 12. So, 4 3s are 12. So, it is 3. 1/8 of 56. So, it is 7. We know 8 7s are 56. Next is 1/6 of 42. So, 6 7s are 42. Now, another type of simplification can be asked in this way. Half an hour equals dash minutes. Now, we know total minutes, that is 60. So, half of 60. What is half of 60? That is 30. So, here we have to write 30. Half a day has dash hours. A day has 24 hours. Now, half of that. So, half of 24 is 12. So, 12 hours. Half a liter is equal to dash ml. Now, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. We have to do half of 1000, that is 500 ml. Same way, next, half a year is equal to dash month. In a year, we are having 12 months. So, half of a year, that is divided by 2. So, 12 divided 2 is 6. So, 6 months. Next is equivalent fraction. 2 or more fraction that shows same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. Now, here example of rectangle is given. This rectangle is colored 1. So, it is called half, and same rectangle 4 parts are done and it is written as 2 upon 4. Now, half of the rectangle is red and here 2/4 of the rectangle is red. Both fractions, that is 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 4, represent half part of whole rectangle. Here we can see half part is covered and here also half part is colored. So, they are called equivalent fractions. Next is, how can we obtain equivalent fraction of a given fraction? Let's see. When we multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator of a given fraction by the same number, we obtain equivalent fraction. When the question is given to you and if you divide or multiply given fraction with the same number, you will obtain equivalent fraction. Let's see the example. First, find the equivalent fraction for 2 upon 3. Here we are taking 2 upon 3 and will find the equivalent fraction. What is the rule? Rule is to multiply or to divide numerator and denominator with the same number. So 2 upon 3 multiply 2 by 2, that is 4 upon 6. 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 3, so 6 upon 9. 2 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 4, that is 8 upon 12. Now we can say that these all fractions are called equivalent fraction to the 2 upon 3. If you cut off these fractions, you will get 2 upon 3. How? 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Here also 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Here 4 2s are 12. Sorry, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So you are getting 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. It can be further also. Okay, this is the example of multiplication. Now we will see for division. Find the equivalent fraction of 8 upon 36. This is the number that we can divide by 2, 3, 6 and 9. How? Let's see. 18 upon 36 divided by 2 upon 2. We will get 9 upon 18. Now 18 upon 36 divided by 3 upon 3. So you will get 6 upon 12. 18 upon 36 divided by 4 you cannot take because 18 is not divided by 4. So we'll take direct 6. 6 upon 6. You will get 3 upon 6. So this all are called equivalent fraction to 18 upon 36. Next topic is exercise 8.3, types of fractions. First, proper fractions. What are proper fractions? A proper fraction is a fraction having numerator that is less than its denominator. For example, here I am writing 3 upon 4. So denominator is greater, numerator is smaller. So it is called proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction having numerator that is equal to or greater than its denominator. In an improper fraction, numerator can be translated as the number of parts we have and the denominator as the part the whole is divided into. For example, 5 upon 4. Here 5 is greater than 4. So numerator is greater than denominator. So it is called improper fraction. Or if it is equal to, that is 4 upon 4. It is also called improper fraction. Next is mixed numbers or mixed fraction. What are mixed fractions? A mixed number is composed of natural number and a fraction. Now example, suppose two parts, out of two parts are colored, it means whole circle is covered. Here 2 part out of 2 part is colored, then what we can say? Whole circle is colored. So this is a 2. Now second, 2 upon 2 is a improper fraction. We know 2 upon 2. Here I have told 4 upon 4 is an improper fraction. Here 1 upon 2. Suppose here we can write as 1. Here 1 part out of 2 part is colored. So what we will write as? We will write as half. Now if we will combine this we can write as 1 plus half, that is 1 integer 1 upon 2. Now we can say that 1 is a natural number and half is called proper fraction. So mixed fraction includes natural number and fractional part also. Now next exercise is exercise 8.4, conversion of improper fractions to mixed numbers or natural numbers. For this we have to follow few steps. To change an improper fraction to a mixed number or a natural number, we will follow the step. Step number A. First, divide the numerator by denominator. Second, write quotient as the natural number. Next, the remainder is the numerator of the proper fraction. Next, the denominator will be the same denominator of the given improper fraction. Now we will understand through the example. Convert 8 upon 4 to a natural number. Now 8 upon 4 we have to convert into natural number. How? Here suppose 2 squares are given, that is a figure given to you. 8 upon 4 means all parts of this squares are covered, that is called 8 upon 4. Now what we will have to do? We have to divide by denominator. So we know 4 2s are 8, 0. So whenever we want to write this as a mixed fraction, we have to start writing with quotient, then to remainder, and then to divisor. So we can write as 2 0 upon 4. Now here 0, 2 plus 0 is a natural number. So this we can write as whole, that is 1. This also we will write as whole. So 1 plus 1 whole is equal to 2. Now 0 upon 4, let's see here, 0 upon 4 is 0. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So the natural number of 8 upon 4 is 2. Next is convert 10 upon 4 to a mixed number. Now 10 upon 4 we will convert into mix by division. First, either you convert this into lowest term or you can do direct division, but it is always advisable to convert this into lowest term first. Let us see how. Here 5 2s are and 2 2s are. So 2 and 2 we can cut. So lowest term is 5 upon 2. We'll understand that lowest term in detail after few exercises. So now 5 upon 2 we will divide 5 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 1. So what I told, whenever we want to write, we have to start with quotient. So 2, then to remainder, and then to divisor. So 2 integer 1 upon 2. So here 2 is a whole number and this is a fractional part. In short, we can write like this: quotient, then remainder upon divisor. This you need to remember, or you can write like this also. Next exercise is exercise 8.5, conversion of mixed numbers to improper fraction. For that we will understand one example. 4 3 upon 5 is the question. Now how to write? Method is natural number will be divided by denominator plus numerator upon denominator. So it's very easy to understand. First 4 multiply 5. That is natural number multiply denominator. Plus numerator means this 4 plus 3 like this. Okay. Upon denominator means denominator will be same over here. Let us simplify. 4 multiply 5, that is 20, plus 3, that is numerator. So 20 plus 3 upon denominator will be the same 5. So simplification is 23 upon 5. Okay. Let's see another example. 3 1 upon 7. How we will do? 3 multiply 7 plus 1 upon 7. 3 sevens are 21 plus 1 upon 7. That is 22 upon 7. Next is exercise 8.6, comparison of fraction. First we will see with like numerator and denominators. Example, compare 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. Here 3 strips of equal lengths are divided into 4 equal parts. Here 1/4, here 2/4 and here 3/4. So when denominator are same, we can say that 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. Or we can write as reverse, 1 upon 4 is less than 2 upon 4 is less than 3 upon 4. Now let's see next example. These strips are of equal lengths are divided into different parts. First is 2 upon 3. Here 2 parts are colored. Then 2 upon 4 and then 2 upon 5. When we observe the colored parts of above strips, these strips, we can find that 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 upon 4 and 2 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 5. In short, we can say that 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 5, or 2 upon 5 is less than 2 upon 4 is less than 2 upon 3. Therefore, when the numerator of 2 or more fractions are the same, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. Here we can observe 3 is a smaller number, but it is the greatest of all other, means greatest of this 2. So we can write like this, or here also we can conclude that 2 upon 3 is greater fractions. Next topic is comparison of unlike fractions with different numerators. Question is compare 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. This we will understand through two different methods. First, 2 upon 5 will be multiplied with 4 upon 4, that is cross multiplication. So 2 upon 5 multiply 4 upon 4, that is 8 upon 20. Second fraction, 3 upon 4 will be multiplied by 5. So 3 multiply 5 and 4 multiply 5, which is 15 upon 20. Here we can see that 8 is smaller than 15. Here we will convert numerator. Why? Because denominators are same. So 8 is smaller than 15. That's why 8 upon 20 is smaller than 15 upon 20. Now second method for this, 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. First we will take LCM of different denominators, that is 5 and 4. If we find out LCM of the denominators, we will get 20. So LCM is 20. Now we will make fractions equivalent, means we will make denominator equal. So 2 upon 5, here we want 20. We will find such a number that we will get denominator 20. So if we multiply 5 by 4, we will get 20. So 2 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 4. That comes to 8 upon 20. Same for second, 3 upon 4. Here as a denominator we need such a number that gives us 20 as a denominator. So if we multiply 4 by 5, we will get 20. The rule is to divide and multiply given fraction with the same number. Never forget this. So 5 upon 5. 3 5s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Now your denominators are equal. So we can compare the fraction 8 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. Here 8 is smaller than 15. So 2 upon 5 is smaller than 3 upon 4. Now next topic is exercise 8.7, fractions lowest term. How to convert given fraction in lowest term. A fraction is in its lowest term or simplest form when its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. How? Let's see. First, 2 upon 5 is in lowest terms. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2. If we see the factors, 2 upon 5, factors of 2 are 2 and 1, and factors of 5 are 5 and 1. Here only one common factor is there, that is 1. So common factor of this is a 1. Second is 6 upon 10. Now is 6 upon 10 is in lowest term? Yes or no? Let's see. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Common factors of 6 and 10 are 1 and 2. Now what we have to remember while converting into lowest term? That to reduce a fraction to its lowest term or in its simplest form, divide the numerator and denominator by highest common factor, that is HCF. So if we see to 6 upon 10, HCF is 2, that is highest common factor. We will divide 6 upon 2 by 2 upon 2, that is 3 upon 5. So lowest term of 6 upon 10 is 3 upon 5. Next, write 10 upon 25 in its lowest term. So 10 upon 25. First, if we see the factors of 10 is 1, 2 and 5. Here 1, 5 and 25. So 5 is the highest factor. So they both will be divided by 5. So the lowest term of that is 2 upon 5. Now next way to find out HCF, like this we can find by HCF also. So 6 upon 16, 6 upon 15, we can find HCF first. Common factor is 3, 3 2s are and 3 5s are. Further we cannot divide with the same number. So HCF is 3 only. Either you write the factors or you can find out the HCF like this. So this number will be divided by 3. So 2 upon 5 is the lowest term of 6 upon 15. The final quotient obtained while finding the HCF will be the numerator and the denominator of the simplest form of the given fraction. So these are the last fractional part of, or you can say, lowest term. Students, we will continue further exercise in next video. Thank you.